police in a partnership. Partnership scale. So, yanzu zaka aje magaji da abin da aka je aka yi. Yanzu ko zai diga Apa, ini apa bang?
Ini ya bukti the one that you an step da mutane ga wata mutu ba kowa ba. To, ka gani? Sannan kuma an yi suka wannan an kasa da mutane. Siya, harare. Empty. Abba, empty container. Kuma tun da aka kuma moto zote ne yana ta juye haka. Wallahi. Wana police ne? Na police. MG na. Kawai kana ta juye ko ta ina kawai. Kana juye. Kaga tawo nan abin da ka taho ma. Is it not good ma a ga location din da ba kyau tun da guraren da mutane. Okay to me haka kawai. One day, camera will capture. So they could. What is
and I hope if the country can maintain the momentum and then get rid of the bandits so that we can move across the country smoothly, gently, without any challenges, because security is paramount. Once you are not safe, you cannot travel. In olden days, we take off by midnight, you reach your own destination. But now anything after 4, you are not safe. You cannot start any journey. But seeing you on the road is a reassurance that maybe the country is trying to revitalize the security system for us to achieve the desired goal. So it's a welcome idea. I hope you can maintain the momentum.
Yeah,
thank you very much. How do you feel about it?
Yeah, the route is very safe and...
Hold on.
Are you getting the animal? I say, open your hand.
This is festive period, festive season. Considering the fact that it's Yuletide and Nigerians are becoming unnecessarily apprehensive over the fact that the roads may not be safe, we have come out to let Nigerians know, especially Nigerians living within the Federal Capital Territory and those from Kaduna State, and the people that will be plying these routes generally, that we have decided to do the needful. The needful we have decided to do is to come out and re-energize or work on the psyche of our men on the roads, because we have men on patrol, we have men carrying out operations in the bushes, men that have succeeded in making the fringes of FCT and Kaduna to be safe. That's Kaduna State Commissioner of Police and Kaduna and the FCT Commissioner of Police, as directed by the Inspector General of Police, IGP Olukayode Adeolu Egbetokun, have decided to come out based on his directive to tell motorists and Nigerians that will be plying this whole stretch that we will, by the grace of God, be on top of our game. We will ensure that the roads are adequately patrolled during this festive period. And one of the things we're putting into consideration is that we are not looking at jurisdiction, what some of us want to call boundaries. We are not looking at jurisdiction. What we are doing, will go across the two states. So if there is any emergency within FCT and it is Kaduna State Command that has close proximity to the location, the Commissioner of Police Kaduna State, of course, can be called upon, or their emergency lines can be called, so that they will overlap their functions. If it happens the other way, that it's in Kaduna, but closer proximity to FCT, our teams that are on the road will also overlap and do the needful. If there is arrest made, since it's Kaduna jurisdiction, we are most likely going to hand over to them. You will agree with me that for CP Kaduna to get to Jere, it is easier for FCT to get to Jere. So we're not looking at boundaries, we're not looking at jurisdictions. We're carrying out our operations just to safeguard Nigerians, especially those that will be plying this particular route during the Yuletide, during the festive period. So please, my plea is for Nigerians to feel free. Those that want to travel should feel free to travel on the roads. I will talk little about traffic situations. You know, there are sometimes this period is usually seen as a period where accidents happen very often. All I want to appeal to Nigerians is they should go by all the traffic regulations, check their tires adequately, making sure they're not traveling with tires that are already worn out, service their cars so that they won't break down on the roads. And overspeed in this period, my advice is let's try and stop it or desist from it. Reason is we want people to go celebrate their Christmas and New Year season and get back to their locations safe and sound. Thank you.
Commissioner deployed to Kaduna State. We are here in compliance with the IDP's directive. IGP Kayode Adeolu Ibetokum, MPM, PhD. He has given us a marching order that we should ensure that this route is crime-free. And I want to assure the motorists and other road users that this road is safe. They should ignore all these social media posting, implying that the road is not safe, this and that. And we want to warn them that they should desist from doing that. I want to tell you that for the past 2 years, we have never recorded incidents in our jurisdiction in Kaduna State. Right from before Jere and up to Kaduna, we have never recorded any incidents. And the IGP has given us an order that we should ensure that this road is free. We have deployed our men, our patrolmen, and we have been synergizing with the military. The military are always on the road. We are always on the road, and other road users. We want to assure the members of public that this road is free, and they should ignore the mischief makers. And the IGP has given us order when we have been complying with the order. You can see me with the Compol FCT. The FCT also, they are off and doing, they have been patrolling, and the issue of jurisdiction is never in place. We move around all over to ensure that the commuters ply this road without anything. And I want to tell them that they should ply this road at any time. There is nothing like incident as far as this road is concerned. And apart from that, if there is any information, our DPOs are always on the road. Please move to the DPOs, and most of our divisions are by the roadside. And if there is anything, please report to us. But don't allow these mischief makers telling you that people are kidnapped on the road. There is nothing of such. And we challenge them, if they have any evidence or they have any proof, please, they should come to us and show us that, yes, there is an incident at this place or at that point. There is nothing of such, and we will continue to do what is needful. We'll continue to patrol this road. We'll continue to ensure that the public are safer and better, and we continue to comply with the orders by our IGP. Our IGP is no nonsense person. He is always admonishing us that we should ensure as much as we can that people are safe, and safe to move with their businesses, and safe to move on the road, safe in their homes, and that's what we have been doing. And we thank him, and we thank our leaders. Thanks so much. That is what I can say.
Synergy will continue across board. As it stands, while in the vehicle, I was already talking to the Commissioner of Police, Kogi State. Yes, we have spoken before now. We're trying to perfect how, if possible, this same movement will be extended there, and maybe Nasarawa State. But you can see this is the longest route you can think of. But wherever the entire Nigeria connects Abuja, being the center of the nation. So we will synergize with Niger by the grace of God. We'll synergize with Kogi. We'll also synergize with Nasarawa State.
Beyond the Christmas.
Certainly. As you are aware, from the FCT angle, and I'm sure Kaduna State is also doing something, we commenced Operation Sweep. Operation Sweep has already been going around. They extend up to Abuja on this flank, and up to Nyanya from the Nasarawa axis. They come up to Zuba, and so it's a continuous process. It's not going to stop. Operation Sweep has commenced. It will continue round the clock. Around up to January and probably even February. Bottom line is, as we've said earlier, we encourage all to feel free and celebrate this period, and know that we will continue to do our best to secure them adequately. The IGP is not joking about it. So it's not just us here. I'm sure this is being extended across boards to other state commands. Thank you.